Hey guys, Tim Coates here with Adonis Detail. Wanted to take a quick second today and show you this awesome project we just finished up. Now this car we did a complete coverage on in pretty much every service we offered. We do a paint protection film coverage in satin, which gives it this really cool stealth look. We did powder coat in the wheels, we did a full vinyl blackout, as well as our Spectra Photosync tint. So let me show you some of the details of this car and exactly what we did when we finished up. So every exterior panel that's been painted has been wrapped in our satin film. Not only does it protect the finish, but it gives it a satin look. If you want to come take a look too, all of the edges we wrapped over, so there's no gloss showing, there's no seams anywhere, everything's really tucked, really nicely done. This is what we call our custom install, which means everything is hand cut, everything is wrapped and laid by hand. So every panel, basically bumper to bumper, has been wrapped. Also the headlights and the fog lights, which helps with the rock chips and bugs and that kind of thing. Then we did our vinyl blackout of all the chrome trim. So normally you'd have chrome in the front here, around the mirrors, around the windows. We did a 3M 1080 satin black wrap of this, and we did gloss black painted emblems. Those will actually last a very long time. Some shops use Plasti Dip. We actually go the route of getting them painted so it's a little bit more durable. So those are all blacked out. We did our powder coating of the wheels here. These were normally a silver color, and those got powder coated, which gives it kind of a cool little satin look, ties in with the chrome trim, which has also been blacked out. The side markers have been blacked out, all the chrome around the windows, and obviously everything's been wrapped in our satin film with edges wrapped over. We did our window tint here, 15% on the front, and we actually did the full windshield in one piece with our Spectra Photosync film. Now, because of the size of this windshield, it's actually very difficult to do, and with the Spectra Photosync film, which is a little bit thicker than most out there, but we were able to do this in one seamless piece, which helps a lot with the heat you're going to feel coming into the cabin. So, super excited about how this project turned out. It's been about a week of work, definitely a labor of love, but the car's been completely different. It looks completely different, very unique, one of a kind that's on the road. So, then on the back here, we'll show you, we also did a chrome delete in the back. We painted the emblems. So normally the emblems back here are chrome, but because this is a ludicrous model P100D, we want to do something unique with the red underline. All the chrome back here has been wrapped, and all of the emblems were painted gloss black. They give a little bit of an accent color too. And obviously all the film is wrapped around all the painted surfaces with wrapped edges as well. So super excited how this one turned out. Can't wait to show the client today. So I think they'll be very happy.